Hi Scorpio, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, pwede nyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kaysa inyong Sun sign. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell for notification from this channel. All my readings are timeless, so you can be open to messages anytime you come across this video. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Scorpio. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you. Ano yung mga mensahe and energies or mga gabay na paparating for Scorpio. Scorpio, ano yung mga messages? Ano mga paparating na mga energies and messages for Scorpio? Ano yung mga gabay? Scorpio. Yeah. Choose your battle. Choose your battles wisely. Scorpio. Yeah, for some of you, may mga conflicts, okay? And nasa sitwasyon ka ngayon that you are adjusting to change. Okay? Mayroong disagreements and disputes with someone. Okay? Maybe sa work mo to or sa relationship. The High Priestess. Okay? Use your 5 senses. Malakas ang inyong intuition. Listen to your intuition sa mga nangyayari sa paligid mo or sa sitwasyon mo. May mga hidden information or secrets that will be revealed. Okay? Or some of you, you have to consider carefully before you act on something. Okay? Yeah. Partnership. Okay. For some of you, yung iba sa inyo, you will be entering partnership or collaboration, most especially if kung ang trabaho nyo nagre-require ng collaboration, okay? Merong closeness na mangyayari. Yung iba sa inyo, there is forgiveness in the situation. Yeah. Complex decision, naharap ka sa isang sitwasyon kung saan kailangan mong i-analyze or i-review all sides of the situation before you do something, okay? Bago ka magdesisyon. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you are doing research. Okay? But in making a decision, do not procrastinate, okay? Wag masyado what to call this, yung ano tawag doon, mag-procrastinate ba, magpa-bagal-bagal, okay, sa isang sitwasyon, most especially if it calls urgency. Okay, merong movement, okay, stability in your situation. Many things happening at once. For some of you, delays are over. Yeah. Money. Okay, there will be abundance. You will be financially secured. Scorpio. You have happy home life with your family. There is closeness or pagkakaintindihan sa isang pamilya, okay? Or sa pamilya mo. For some of you, there is a new phase sa life mo na mag-uumpisa. Okay? Yung iba, avoid rushing things. Okay? Maybe sa work mo to or sa mga projects na ginagawa. Yeah. Well, most especially if you're going to make a decision also. Okay. Okay. Things will be better now for you, Scorpio. Okay. New cycles for some of you. Yeah, you are closing a situation, okay, na hindi maganda para sa inyo. Lalo na kung merong betrayal and deception, merong lies in the situation, okay? For some of you, you have to quit worrying over something, over a relationship, or over money, okay? King of Wands, yes, good fortune is on its way. Yes, for some of you, you need to be confident sa inyong ginagawa, most especially kung meron kayong mga business or may mga passion projects na ginagawa, okay? Communicate your vision, be a leader. For some of you, you are reminiscent. Yeah, memories in the past. Okay, naalala ninyo. You are missing someone, Scorpio. Okay, or maybe someone from the past will contact you or will communicate with you, or your family in the province. Okay, or kung nasa ibang bansa man, they will communicate with you. Merong pag-uusap about past memories. Okay. Wheel of Fortune. Things will suddenly move forward for you. Okay? Fortune is on your side. Kung dati hindi gumagalaw, parang walang movement or walang progress, now meron na. Okay? The Moon. There is uncertainty in your situation. Okay? Yeah. You need to release your fears about tomorrow, about your future, for some of you. You are very intuitive and sensitive at this moment. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo parang low ang energy, no? Parang you are discontented, okay? In your situation, you are bored. For some, merong silent treatment in the relationship, okay? Maybe someone is inviting you or offering you something, but you're not interested, okay? Parang tamad ka gumalaw, or okay. The Sun. Well-earned, well-deserved na happiness para sa inyo after darkness. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be awarded or you will be receiving an award. You will be rewarded because of your good work, okay? Good performance. Happy times for you. Scorpio. For some of you, you'll be sharing abundance with your family and loved ones. Yeah, merong improvement sa inyong kaperahan. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong inaantay, big money, okay? Inaantay na resulta, okay? Maybe sa work to or sa inyong finances. You are also thinking of other ways and means to improve your money for some of you. You are checking your accounts, your savings. Or you are checking or evaluating your own performance, okay? Sa trabaho mo man to or sa inyong project. King of Cups. So, Be compassionate, Scorpio. May mga tao na kailangan ka, kailangan ng inyong advice, okay? Or kailangan ng inyong tulong. Or this is you, Scorpio, okay? Maybe you feel na parang you need someone to talk to. Okay? Just take what resonates for you, Scorpio, but these are the energies. Yeah, the Tower. May kinakailangan na baguhin sa inyong sistema, okay, sa inyong system. For some of you, there is a breakup. Okay. It is needed, parang kailangan to mangyari so that something new, something better can be built. Okay. Yeah, the Fool. Yeah, you are taking chances. May mga kumbaga, madami mga opportunities na nag-aantay para sa inyo. Okay? You are embarking on a new chapter of your life. For some of you, Scorpio, you are feeling good, okay? Endless potential and opportunities are ahead of you. Ace of Cups, you feel good, you feel supported as well. Merong awakening sa inyo spiritually. Yeah. Be confident in your situation. Do not doubt yourself, okay? Minsan, nagne-negative thinking lang tayo, okay? Negative thoughts. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you are not making a choice on a situation, okay? Parang ayaw mo magdesisyon. Yeah, for some of you, you are feeling trapped or you intend to not to make a choice, okay? You intend not to make a decision, okay? But you know, there is love and support. May mga blessings na paparating sa inyo, Scorpio. Okay, you are full of hopes at the same time. Okay, about sa mga paparating na mga opportunities para sa inyo. Okay, tingnan natin. Ito. Ano yung mga energies, messages for Scorpio, additional message for Scorpio. Limitations. Fear and doubt limit freedom of action. Let go of your worries. Okay. Guardian angel. Some higher power protects you from difficulties and misfortunes. Trust your guardian angel. Okay, you are protected. Scorpio, by your guardian angels. Vacation. Start a perfect vacation and enjoy the freedom. Take time to recharge. Okay. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo kailangan ng bakasyon. Okay? Maybe you are overwork. Dami kayong ginagawa. Busy kayo. Okay? Tingnan natin ano yung message from the angels for Scorpio. Scorpio. It is safe for you to receive. The more you allow yourself to receive, the more resources you have available to share with others. Open your arms to receive and be a conduit for good coming to you and through you as it blesses the world. Okay. Meron pa. Ano yung spirit message for Scorpio? Ooh. Whatever you have been putting off, don't procrastinate any longer. Okay? Tackle that long overdue project. You will feel better once you begin. Start with one thing at a time. Thoughts and ideas not acted upon are just laying in wait. You can do this. Okay? So, ito lang yung mga messages for you, Scorpio. All the best. And thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!